In this video, we're going to go over the structure and function of the facial vein. Firstly, where is this vein located? The facial vein is located on each side of the neck and head region of the body. If we take a closer look at the veins on the right lateral view of the head and neck, we can see the facial vein highlighted in red. Where does this vein originate? The facial vein originates as a continuation of the angular vein. The angular vein can be seen here highlighted in yellow. What is the course of this vein? This vein runs inferiorly and posteriorly across and around the face towards the neck. It then unites with the anterior branch of the retromandibular vein to form and drain into the common facial vein. The anterior branch of the retromandibular vein can be seen here highlighted in yellow and the common facial vein in green. The common facial vein then drains into the internal jugular vein, seen here highlighted in pink. Along its course, this vein receives blood from many tributary veins, including the inferior labial vein, the superior labial vein, the deep facial vein, and the buccal vein, among others. What is the function of this vein? This vein primarily functions in the transportation of deoxygenated blood from the face to the neck and internal jugular vein on its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the facial vein.